In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly extension in Chrome. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants their writing to be top-notch, Grammarly is a powerful tool to help you enhance your writing skills effortlessly. Let's dive into how you can set this up in your Chrome browser. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Grammarly account. Open your web browser and head over to Grammarly's official website. Here, if you don't have an account, you can sign up very easily. Once you're on the sign-in page, type in your registered email address. This is an essential step as it ensures you have access to all of Grammarly's personalized features that are linked to your account. After entering your email, click on Continue. This will direct you to the main Grammarly document page, where you'll find a wealth of tools at your disposal. But today, our focus is on setting up the extension. So once you're on this page, look for and click on the Apps section. It might be nestled among several other features, but don't worry, it's easy to spot once you're familiar with the layout. In the Apps section, you will see a variety of Grammarly products. What you're looking for is Grammarly for Chrome. Click on it, and it will take you to the installation page. Here you'll see a button that says Install, and you'll want to click on that. It's as simple as just one click, but it's a powerful one that opens the door to seamless writing assistance. Next, you're prompted to Add to Chrome. By clicking this, you are integrating Grammarly directly into your Chrome browser, enabling it to check your writing wherever you go online. Follow that by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up that appears. This step is crucial to fully activate the extension within your browser. Once installed, you'll want easy access, so pin the Grammarly extension to your browser toolbar. You can do this by clicking on the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in the Chrome toolbar and selecting the pin icon next to Grammarly. This keeps it just a click away whenever you need it. To see Grammarly in action, open up a document or any text field on a web page. Click on the Grammarly extension icon you pinned earlier, and immediately you'll start seeing Grammarly suggestions as you type. These suggestions can include corrections for grammar, syntax, and even stylistic improvements. Moreover, Grammarly doesn't just correct, it can also generate ideas for you. By using the Insights feature, you can get detailed feedback on your writing's clarity, engagement, and delivery. This way, you're not only correcting errors, but actively improving your writing skills over time. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up Grammarly on Chrome. Start exploring the features and watch your writing improve in leaps and bounds. Enjoy the